In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically translate products and store content in Shopify. Open your browser and go to your Shopify admin. Once the admin loads, look to the left sidebar and move all the way down to the bottom left corner. Click Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store. In the Settings menu, click Languages. You should now be on the Language Settings page. Here, you'll see your store's default language already listed, such as English. And you should also see an Add Language button. Click Add Language. A drop-down menu will appear with the available languages you can add to your store. Open that drop-down and select the language you want to translate your store into. Take a moment here to choose the correct language from the list, since this is the language that will be added to your store for translation. After selecting it, click Next. After that, assign the language to a domain. You'll see a toggle for the domain you want to use. Click the toggle for the domain where this language should be assigned. Once that is set, click Done. The language will now be added to your store, and it will appear under Unpublished Languages. At this point, Shopify also automatically installs the Translate and Adapt app when you add a new language. So the translation tool is already being prepared for you in the background. Now go to the left sidebar again and click Apps. This opens the Apps area in your Shopify admin. In the list of apps, click Translate and Adapt. After that, click Open App. The app will load and take you into the translation workspace inside Shopify. Once the app opens, you should be on the home screen for Translate and Adapt. This screen shows the different types of store content that can be translated, such as products, collections, pages, and blog posts. Near the top of the app, you'll also see a language selector. Click that language drop-down and choose the language you want to work with. If you added French, select French. If you added a different language, select that one instead. Make sure the selected language matches the one you just added in the language settings. With the correct language selected, look for the Auto Translate button in the app. Click Auto Translate. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm the action. In that dialog, click Translate. This starts the automatic translation process for your store content in the selected language. Now wait for the translation to finish. Shopify will process the content through the Translate and Adapt app, and the translated versions will be generated for the available store content. During this step, stay on the screen and let the app complete the task. Once the translation is done, the main part of the process is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this stage, you have opened your Shopify language settings, added a new language, assigned it to your selected domain, opened the Translate and Adapt app, selected the target language inside the app, and launched the automatic translation process. The store content types shown in the app, including products, collections, pages, and blog posts, are managed from this translation workspace, and the selected language is the one the app uses when running the translation. If you are following along on screen, keep the Translate and Adapt app open while the translation finishes loading. The important part is that the language was first added in Shopify settings, then opened inside Translate and Adapt, and then translated using the Auto Translate button and the Translate confirmation inside the dialog. That exact flow is what triggers the automatic translation setup for the selected language in Shopify. From here, the translation task itself has been started and completed through Shopify's built-in workflow using Translate and Adapt. The new language remains listed in your store's language settings under the Added Languages area, and the translation app handles the translated content connected to that language selection.